What if I told you this dead space could become a living paradise? This isn't just gardening. This is growing your own life. In just a few weeks, you can grow food that supermarkets can't give you. It all starts with an empty space and a simple idea. You don't need a farm, just a little courage to begin. Step 1. Clear your space, clear your mindset.
Every great garden begins with a simple setup.
Healthy soil is the secret behind healthy life. Feed your soil, and it will feed you. Every seed holds a future waiting to grow. A little water, a lot of care.
And then, life begins. Growth may be slow, but it's powerful.
Nature does the magic, you just support it. Protect your plants the natural way.
No chemicals, only pure care.
With patience, your garden starts to reward you. This is not just food. This is purity. From your hands to your plate. This is health. This is happiness. Taste the difference organic makes. From nothing to everything. You don't just grow plants, you create life. A garden is not a place, it's a feeling. Start today and grow your own paradise.